You dancing?
No, I'm tapping my feet.
You tapping your feet? What you doing, baby?
Mom.
You tell Daddy hi? Hi. Blow him a kiss. Perfect. Say, I love you. Blow Daddy a kiss. You go look at the garden?
Yes.
Come on, let's go look. Come on, Sarah, this way. Careful. Let's go. You can go see? Show me the garden, Kailani. Oh, it's growing.
Where's the owl?
The owl's over on the garbage can by the strawberries. Very nice. Look at the corn. And they'll be all in the sun later today. See, it's early in the morning. Say bye-bye.
I don't see it.
Say bye-bye.
I don't see an owl yet.
There's the owl.
What?
We got to put it on a stand. Sarah, bye-bye. Bye.